In this video, I will show you how to activate and set up the Login Gatekeeper plugin on your WordPress website. To install the plugin, go to the Plugins menu on the left sidebar and click Add Plugin. In the search bar, type Login Gatekeeper. Press the Install Now button on the Login Gatekeeper plugin. After it is installed, press the Activate button. Once the plugin is activated, you will find the settings page for the plugin under the settings menu on the left sidebar. On the settings page, you can set the login key, the login value, choose which user roles it applies to, enable or disable the plugin, and confirm the risk agreement. Let's set the login key as access and the login value as allowed. Under the user roles option, select Administrator. Check the Activate Login Gatekeeper checkbox to enable the plugin. In the risk confirmation text box, type Agree in all uppercase letters. Press the Save Changes button. After saving, the plugin will show you the login URL with the key and value added at the bottom of the page. Copy this URL for later. I have already created a temporary admin user with the username admin and the password 1234. Now, let's log out and try to log in to the website using these details. I'm going to type admin in the username field and 1234 in the password field, and then press the login button. As you can see, an error message appears saying that the admin is not registered on the website. The login failed, even though the username and password were correct. Now, let's paste the URL we saved earlier from the plugin settings page. Let's try the same username and password again. You can see the login was successful. The best part of this plugin is that the login page looks completely normal. Nothing is added or changed, so no one can tell Login Gatekeeper is active. It silently blocks every attempt. Even if someone knows the correct username and password, they still need the secret key and value to log in.